By the time you're done watching this video, you'll understand how to remove accounts connected to your Gmail app. So let's begin. I'm going to open the Gmail app now. What you want to do is head over to the settings by tapping this option here, and then scroll down till you find settings. Now a list of all the accounts you have connected to the Gmail app will be displayed to you, so you want to select the one you're interested in removing or logging out in quotes. So I'm going to try to remove this one. I'll tap it and then tap this button up here and then tap manage accounts. So from here you'll still see the list of emails you have connected to your Gmail app, and this is the one we're interested in removing, so still tap it. Then once you're ready, tap remove account. I'm not going to do that because I'm not interested in removing the account. So you tap it, you may get a message asking you if you're sure you want to remove it, then tap yes or okay or anything that sounds like a yes. So once you're done, it's going to be removed. I have a video in the description that will show you guys how to add your accounts on the Gmail app. For the video, I used a Yahoo account, but it's the same process, so don't worry about it. Anyways, if this video has helped you, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and if I can, I'll answer your questions, but if I can't, I'll show you the guys who know the answers to your questions. Alright, until next time, stay awesome.